What's the story, Morning Glory? Just how do you grow these cuttings? I've got so many stems here that I'm going to use two different methods to grow these cuttings. This first batch I am going to grow directly in water. Snip off the flowers and seed pods as necessary. I had the best success with stem cuttings that were about 10 to 20 inches long. That's about 25 to 50 centimeters. The roots will sprout out from all over the stem, so be sure and have most of the stem immersed in water. It's been only 10 days, that's right, only 10 days, and check out all these roots. I can't believe how much growth there was in such a short period of time. It's really fantastic, and these cuttings are definitely ready to be planted directly in soil. These stems were a bit shorter, and I actually took one long stem and cut it into many pieces. They didn't generate as many roots, but most of them are starting to produce roots. I am going to be planting all of these directly into one large pot. Growing Morning Glory stem tip cuttings in water is definitely an easy and great way to go. These stem tip cuttings I am placing directly into starter containers filled with regular potting soil. Here they are after 10 days. They are all doing quite well. This one in particular has grown a lot of roots, as you can see. One of them has produced a flower, and there is a lot of new growth happening all over. So it was my experience that Morning Glory are quite easy to grow from cuttings. Placing them in water or planting them directly in soil, both methods work quite well. I'd say it's really up to your specific gardening situation and needs. Remember, these are vines, so be sure and plan ahead and grow them on a trellis or fence of some sort to prevent them from growing all over your other plants. Put them where they receive lots of sunshine and you will be rewarded with lots of vibrant flowers. You know, I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.